Welcome aboard your MSC cruise. Like you, we're looking forward to getting started. But while you're with us, your safety is our #1 concern. That's why we ask you to take 5 minutes to get to know these important safety procedures. Then you can relax and really enjoy your cruise. Emergency procedures, safety procedures, and the mandatory safety drill comply with SOLAS, the International Convention for Safety of Life at Sea. The only signal that requires you to act is the general emergency signal of 7 short blasts and 1 long blast. This is not the signal to abandon ship. When you hear this signal, go to your cabin to pick up your life jacket and medications, and then go straight to your assembly station. You'll find your assembly station on your cruise card and your cabin door. If you're traveling with children under 12, upon embarkation, we'll be there to give them an ID wristband. For their own safety, kids must keep their wristbands on at all times. Don't use the elevator in an emergency. If there's a power outage, you could be trapped. Please make your way to the assembly station quickly and quietly so you can hear crew instructions. Walk, don't run. Guides are there to assist you. Show them your cruise card so they can help, and always follow their directions. In stairways and hallways, keep to the right. If your kids are at a kids club, staff will take them to the children's pickup area. Life jackets for kids will be distributed at the pickup area. Find them there and go together to your assembly station. Extra life jackets will be delivered in the unlikely event you shouldn't reach your cabin. After you've presented your cruise card for the count, check your life jacket is securely fitted and that the whistle and the light are in good working order. Please keep quiet so you can hear any instructions. Your life jacket goes on over your head. Pull together the 2 front pieces. First, clasp the waist belt, then clasp the belt under your chin, pull the free end to tighten. If your life jacket's too small, or if you weigh over 140 kilos, 308 pounds, you can ask for an extension belt. Always follow crew instructions. In the unlikely event that you need to abandon ship, survival craft are prepared by the ship's crew. Board the boat or other survival crafts when asked to do so by the crew at your assembly station. Please watch your step when boarding, then sit down. When the boat's full, it'll be lowered to the water. All passengers on this vessel are assigned a place on a lifeboat. Take to the water only as a last resort. If it is necessary, pinch your nose using the fingers of one hand. Place part of the same hand over your mouth. With your other arm, grip your shoulder to stop your life jacket from riding up. All safety information is found on the back of your cabin door. If you're hard of hearing or have mobility problems and you need help getting to the assembly station, let staff know beforehand at reception guest service, extension 99. They'll make sure you have everything you need in an emergency. Fire safety. Fire safety is extremely important at sea. Smoke only in designated areas. Smoking in bed and on cabin balconies is strictly prohibited. Never throw lit cigarettes, cigars or matches over the ship's side. They may blow back onto the ship and cause a fire. If you ever smell smoke or see a fire, activate a red fire alarm button found around the ship and alert a crew member or officers manning the bridge. The crew will take immediate action. All our crew members are regularly drilled in fire safety. The fire emergency signal is 2 long blasts. This signal alerts emergency crew members and doesn't directly affect passengers. In the event of a fire or other emergency, fire doors close automatically. They're heavy, but can be opened by hand. Low lighting along the hall will guide you to safety. If you encounter smoke, stay close to the deck where the air is clearest. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this safety video. Please familiarize yourself with safety procedures on the back of your cabin door and memorize the emergency drill procedure. You'll be reassured you know what to do in case of an emergency. On behalf of the captain, officers, staff and crew of